morning came, I got out of bed. I heard a song on the radio, I saw a gun on the video, I read the passage from the Bible, I watched my neon idol. Would you print it when you find out later? I read the morning paper. Yeah, yeah,
Round town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio. Absolutely smashing track that. The more I listen to it, the more I'm liking it. Absolutely brilliant. Do check it out, guys, and do give them a share. That's well worthy against the number one spot there. In at number 3, guys, it's a non-mover. It's Steve Thompson and the Instants with a very fitting song for this time of year indeed. Monster, Avaganda.
Just like the whole kind of real bad day. Remember, you are not a salmon.
And at number 2 this week, we have another non-mover. The second and the first on the charts this week. We're so close. I'm talking fractionally close. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you. The top 4 at the moment, they've got a lot of listeners, guys. They've got a lot of listeners. The big bands, so you know they're probably going to sit in and all around there for quite some time. But these two at the top, they're like cat and mouse. I'm constantly having to check their updates. Right, number 2 this week. It's Hegarty. Time on Our Hands.
If you've been here, you'd know. If you've been here, you'd know. People move fast and time moves slow. If you've been here, you'd know. If you've been here, you'd know. You'd know if you'd been. If you've been here, you know. The inside eyes are looking in to a newfound place, all free from sin. Where do I begin? With nothing to show. You'd know if you've been here, you'd know. With time on our hands, with time on our hands, for peace we'll make plans. With time on our hands, with love in our starts. It won't play a part with love in our hearts. The inside eyes are looking in to a newfound place, all free from sin. Where do I begin? With nothing to show. You know if you've been here, you know. If you've been here, you know.
Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Dave Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Hegarty, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
And this week's number one, it's Joe Simons, The Loving Kind.
Stop stirring your tea, dickhead.